Hello, my friends! So we have breaking news. There are huge changes that are being made to President Biden's Build Back Better bill. There are also brand new relief programs that have been officially approved that will help millions of low and middle income households across our country. Friends, remember that I'm here every day to help everyone in this community, including all seniors, Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries. I'm committed, friends, to being your daily advocate for more stimulus money and boosted Social Security monthly benefits, because I know that right now may be a tough time for many Americans.
Have limits others set for her. She did go on to Harvard undergraduate school, where she graduated magna cum laude. She went to attend Harvard Law School, where she was a top student and editor of the prestigious Law Review. Then she applied for a highly competitive and coveted clerkship on the United States Supreme Court, and she was selected. The justice who thought she was worthy of this high honor was a young lawyer, was none other than Justice Stephen Breyer, whose seat I'm nominating her to fill. Not only did she learn about being a judge from Justice Breyer himself, she saw the great rigor through which Justice Breyer approached his work. She learned from his willingness to work with colleagues with different viewpoints, critical qualities in my view, for any Supreme Court justice. Now, years later, she steps up to fill Justice Breyer's place in the court with a uniquely accomplished and wide-ranging background. She served both in public service as a federal public defender, and in private law practice as an accomplished lawyer and with a prestigious law firm. If confirmed, she will join Justice Sotomayor as the only other member of the United States Supreme Court who has experience as a trial court judge, a critical qualification in my view. And once again, following the footsteps of her mentor, Justice Breyer, she'd become the only member of the court who previously served as a member of the United States Sentencing Commission. And she brings additional perspective to the court as well. She comes from a family of law enforcement, with her brother and uncles having served as police officers. That's one reason I expect by the Fraternal Order of Police, the national organization today, said, and I quote, "There's little doubt she has the temperament, the intellect, and the legal experience and family background have earned disappointment." And they went on to say, they're confident she will, quote,
As this crisis is still ongoing and continues to impact millions of Americans' lives, the federal government has said that many Americans will be receiving stimulus checks in the mail very soon. Now, you may have already taken advantage of the federal stimulus programs, but did you know that state and local governments have their own stimulus-related programs as well? This means extra stimulus money is available for you to claim right now. Individuals with broadband internet and even farm and food workers all have options to receive financial assistance if they prove they are eligible. So friends, right now millions of Americans can receive a stimulus check worth up to $600 as part of the $700 million Farm and Food Worker Relief Grant Program. The funds are given to state agencies and nonprofit organizations that offer helpful services to farm workers and meat packing workers as well. The checks are worth up to $600 to help cover expenses and crisis-related costs. They are part of the Farm and Food Workers Program that was announced by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. A whopping $700 million in grant funding was set aside for the program. The millions of dollars has been set aside for farm and meat packing workers. There is $20 million, which is for grocery store employees. While it's still not clear exactly how many workers will receive the help, $700 million divided by the $600 checks equals to almost 1.2 million people. All information, including requirements to claim relief money from this program, are available at the USDA website. Unlike the federal stimulus checks, these funds won't be directly deposited by the federal government into people's bank accounts. The funds will be given to states and nonprofit assistance programs that apply for participation and show the ability to distribute them effectively. This means that individuals won't be able to apply for the cash themselves, but the USDA has yet to give more details on eligibility requirements or methods of distribution. U.S. Agriculture Secretary Tom Vilsack acknowledged the immense pressure faced by the industry workers during the crisis. He said while announcing the program, they deserve recognition for their resilience and financial support for their efforts. So, my friends, if you had worked or currently work on a farm or a grocery store, you may be eligible to receive an extra check very soon. So I'm excited, friends, that both farm workers and meatpacking workers can also receive a one-time payment of $600, as many are still financially stressed out due to this crisis. So friends, do you think all frontline workers should receive a $600 stimulus check? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Blue Jay. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and also other keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. If you have experienced financial hardship due to this crisis, you may be eligible for the Homeowners Assistance Fund. The money can be used for homeowners insurance payments, mortgage payments, and more. There is currently new help for struggling homeowners in the state of Illinois. The Illinois Housing Development Authority announced up to $30,000 in free assistance for homeowners financially impacted by this crisis. The Assistance Fund is meant to prevent mortgage defaults and foreclosures. So friends, if you're struggling to pay your mortgage, please make sure to check your local and state governments to see if you are eligible to receive homeowners assistance. If you rent, you may be able to dip into your share of $46.6 billion that has been set aside in the emergency aid for rental assistance programs. There are usually local requirements, and those are usually related to your income and where you reside. You also may have to demonstrate that you have experienced financial hardship during this crisis. Low-income households can be provided a discount on broadband internet by the Federal Communications Commission. This is to help individuals with work-from-home scenarios. This program gives up to $50 off your broadband bills. Also, some can take advantage of a one-time discount of $100 when you purchase a new laptop or PC. Well, my good friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for everyone who has joined me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, all you need to do is click and like my videos, enter the keyword from each video that you watch, and please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Friday.